Hi everyone, it's Emma and here is Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to crochet mini cloud in 10 minutes. And you can crochet a lot of them in any color, even if you've never crocheted before. So if you are a beginner or even an absolute beginner, this video will show you how to crochet. If you are interested in easy and quick projects like this one, give this video a like. It makes me know you want more projects like this. Let's start crocheting. In this project, I want to use a 3mm hook. And this is the yarn tail. You can use blue or white. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make one slip knot. So you need your index finger, just like that. Make an X shape here. Now you need to pull it through. Okay, so we have a loop here, a knot. This is the short tail and this is the working tail. Now I want to insert my hook inside of this loop, just like this. Now hold the knot and pull the working tail. Don't pull it too much, your hook needs to move inside of this loop. Now I want to show you how to hold the hook and the yarn. To holding the hook, you can just hold it like this or hold it like a pencil. And for holding the yarn, this is one way to do this, or just hold it like this. I just used this method. After holding the hook and the yarn, it's time to hold the short tail and the knot with the thumb and middle finger. Now I want to show you how to chain. To chain, you need to yarn over like this. First down, then behind of the yarn. Now you need to twist the hook and grab the yarn tail and pull it through the loop, just like this. Now I want to show you one more time. Now I want to hold the first chain with my thumb and middle finger. Again, yarn over, twist your hook, grab the yarn and pull it through. You see, now I have 2 chains. Now hold the second chain with your thumb and middle finger, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 chains. Again, yarn over, pull through, 4, 5 and 6. Now I have 6 chains. If you accidentally chained more, like this, now I have 7 chains, you just need to take out your hook and pull the working tail, just like that. Now you can undo a chain. As you see, each chain has a V shape. So when you want to count them, you just need to count the V shapes. After the 6 chains, we want to start the round 1. So to crochet the round 1, I want to insert my hook inside of the second chain from the hook and I want to make one single crochet. So this is the first chain from the hook and this is the second chain. So insert your hook right there. This is one loop of the chain on my hook. Yarn over and grab the yarn. Pull through the loop of the chain. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Again, you need to yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. We call that one single crochet. I want to mark this single crochet as the first stitch of round 1. This is my stitch marker, so insert it under the V shape. Now on the left, we have the next V shape, the next chain. So again, insert your hook. One loop of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. Make 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now we have 2 single crochets. Again, on the left, we have the next chain. And make one single crochet. See, now I'm holding this part with my thumb and middle finger. Again, on the left, one single crochet. This is the last chain, so insert your hook and make one single crochet. So now we have 5 single crochets. As you see, each single crochet looks like a V from the top. So to count them, you just need to count the V shapes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Inside of the last chain, I want to make 3 single crochets. This was 1, again inside of the same place, you see that? Insert your hook and make 1 single crochet. Now turn your work, again insert your hook inside of the same place, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now I have 3 single crochets inside of the last chain. So do you see this loop here? This is the other loop of this chain which was here. So I want to insert my hook under this loop. We are going to make single crochet inside of the other loop of the chains. So on the left, this is the next one. Do you see that? 1 single crochet. Again, this is the next one. 1 single crochet. And this is the last one. I want to make 2 single crochets inside of it. So insert your hook under the loop, 1 single crochet, and inside of the same place, another single crochet. So this is the end of the round 1. Now you must have 12 single crochets. To count the single crochets, you just need to count the V shapes, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this was the first one that we marked, and 12. So this is the end of the round 1. Now I want to start the round 2. To start the round 2, first you need to take out the stitch marker. This is the first single crochet we made. I want to insert my hook under the V shape, just like this. You see this is the V shape on my hook. Yarn over and pull through and make 1 single crochet. Let's mark it again as the first V shape or the first single crochet of round 2. I want to make another single crochet inside of the first one, just where this one is. So insert your hook inside of the same place and make another single crochet. We call that increasing, and we show it with I and C, just like what you see down there. When you make 2 single crochets inside of 1 stitch. So we increased 1 time. Now I want to make 3 single crochets. So 1 on the left under the V shape, 2 again on the left under the V shape, and 3. After 3 single crochets, I want to increase 3 times for these 3 stitches. So this is the next one. I want to increase inside of it 1 and 2 single crochets. Again, this is the next one, just like what you see in the pattern down there. Now this was the second one, and this is going to be the third one and the last one. So I increased here, then 3 single crochets, and then I increased 3 times. Now I want to make 3 single crochets again, simple single crochet, 1, 2, and this is the next one under the V shape, 3. Now we have 2 stitches left right here. I want to increase inside of them. So you need to increase 2 times, just like the pattern. You must be able to read the pattern after this video, so focus. Okay, this is the end of the round 2. Now you must have 18 single crochets. Now I want to start the round 3. So for the round 3, first you need to take out the stitch marker, 1 single crochet inside of the first stitch, and you need to mark it. After 1 single crochet inside of the next stitch, I want to increase. So insert your hook under the V shape, 1 single crochet, and again inside of the same place, another single crochet. Now again, I want to make 3 single crochets here. 1, 2, and 3. And after that, I want to repeat this pattern, 1 single crochet and 1 increasing. I want to repeat this 3 times, just like this. 1 single crochet and 1 increasing inside of the next stitch. This was 1 time. Again, 1 single crochet and 1 increasing inside of the next stitch. This was the second time, and this is going to be the last time. 1 single crochet and 1 increasing inside of the next stitch. Okay, after repeating this pattern, I need to make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want to repeat that pattern 2 times here. So 1 single crochet, 1 increasing, 1 time, again 1 single crochet and 1 increasing. Okay, so this is the end of the round 3. Now you must have 24 single crochets. Now I want to start round 4. First you need to take out the stitch marker. We don't need it anymore. Now I want to show you how to crochet these parts. To crochet these parts, you need to learn how to make a double crochet. Trust me, it's not hard at all. First, I'm going to skip 1 stitch, 1 V shape, which is this one. And I want to insert my hook inside of this stitch. But before inserting my hook, I want to yarn over, just like that. Hold this part of the yarn on your hook, and then insert your hook inside of this stitch. Now you need to yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. Again, you need to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is 1 double crochet, and we skipped this stitch. So this is 1 double crochet inside of this stitch. I want to make 5. So this was number 1. Again, yarn over inside of the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is the second double crochet. Again, yarn over inside of the same place, yarn over and pull through 2 and pull through 2. 3 double crochets. Again, inside of the same place, 4 double crochets. Again, inside of the same place, 5 double crochets. After making 5 double crochets inside of 1 stitch, again I want to skip next stitch, which is this one. Do you see the V shape here? And I want to make 1 slip stitch inside of the next stitch. So skip this one, insert your hook under this V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops. I want to pull this loop through this one, so hold it and pull it through. We call that 1 slip stitch. Pull the yarn to make it tight. Now again, I want to make the second one of these shapes. So first you need to skip 1 stitch and make 5 double crochets inside of this one. So yarn over, insert your hook inside of this stitch, 1 double crochet, again inside of the same stitch, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After making 5 double crochets, I want to skip this stitch and make 1 slip stitch inside of the next one, just like that. Pull it to make it tight. Again, skip 1 stitch inside of the next one, 5 double crochets. After 5 double crochets, again you need to skip 1 stitch and make 1 slip stitch inside of the next one and pull it to make it tight. You just need to keep making them right here until you get to the end of the round. If you find this video helpful, you can give me super thanks to support me right under the video. It means a lot and it really helps me to create more crochet tutorials. So I'm gonna meet you after finishing this round. Okay, this is the last one, so I'm gonna skip 1 stitch and make 1 slip stitch inside of the next one. Okay, just like that. Now you need to pull the yarn. We need the tail here. Now you can cut the tail. You need to connect a needle, a sewing needle, to this part. Okay, so now I want to hide the tail, just like this. So when you get here, you don't need your needle. Now I want to tie knot 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now you need to cut the tails. Now I want to connect the eyes and sew the cheeks, but this part is optional. They need to be 3 stitches apart. 1, 2, 3. So here. Now I want to sew the cheeks. You need to connect a pink thread or a pink yarn to a sewing needle. Now cut this. Now the other side. Again, cut the tail. I want to use some glue here. Now you need to cut these parts. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more projects for absolute beginners, don't forget to check this playlist up here. See you in the next video.